malugi sa first 3 years ng business, coming from a 10-year business owner. Hi, I'm Rachel. So, buckle up because Business Cast is in session. Tip number 1, start small. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, paano kung konti lang puhunan ko? Parati ko tong sinasabi, work with what you've got. Kami noon, sinugal ng dad ko yung ipon niya para sa akin. Though alam ko namang calculated risk siya. But when you start a business kasi, sugal na talaga yan. Anyway, going back, mahilig sa negosyo yung mga parents ko. And before State to 1, nagkaroon kami ng talyer, salon, mini market, and meat shop. Then sa father side naman, may lolo owned Tatandang Sora Bayan Paleng. Pero alam ko, binenta na nila nung nagka-cancer si daddy. Anyway, going back, ay na nga, ang dami naming naging business and eventually, nag-evolve na siya sa State to 1. So, ang lesson lang naman dito is start small and build it up gradually. Hindi mo kailangan sabayan yung mga ibang negosyo na mukhang malaki agad. Always remember to stay in your lane. Focus on improving your craft and yourself as the owner. Kumbaga, ay ang competition mo lang dito ay yung sarili mo. Be better kahit na 1% lang yan. So, yun lang naman. Hope this helps and follow for more business class. Real lessons from a trendtahing steakhouse owner running a 10-year business. Bye!